Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chet here from Avion Technology. Here in the Chicagoland area, we are a digital agency that helps other digital agencies become more profitable. We also work with a lot of small businesses and help to create an amazing web presence for them. So this is a part of my small business success series, and within this, I kind of take up one industry every day, and I talk about functionality that should be there on a website within that industry. So today I'm talking about event planning. So within event planning, there's a few functionality that your website should definitely have. The first is event listing and creation, right? So you should be able to list events on your website. Second after this is guest management tool. So all your guests, especially for weddings or whatever events that you're doing, they should have their own dedicated admin area where they can upload photos. You can have a checklist for them, like a pre-event checklist. You can also send notifications to them where you can message each other through that area. So like a guest portal. Next is vendor management. One of the things that most non-event planners do not know about event planners is that the amount of vendors that you guys will have to work with. It's insane. I have a friend. She's a vendor in the Chicagoland area, and she just works with like so many vendors, and it just takes so many people to come together to make an event successful. It's insane. I never knew that right before. So vendor management. Another really interesting tool that you should check out is an interactive seating chart for an event, which will allow guests to choose their seats during registration. Right? We are an insanely spoiled generation. We like choices for everything. 20 years back, it was just enough to get invited for an event. Now it's like, not only do you want to get invited, or not only do you want to go for an event, you want to be in total control of where you sit and what you do. And it's the spirit of the times, right? Those are the times that we live in. So definitely think about an interactive seating chart for your next event. Next is AI-powered guest matching. This is very interesting. A lot of the event planners, that I know, they also do speed dating events and industry events where they match professionals up with each other. And it takes a lot of kind of algorithms and a lot of brain power, brain work to kind of match guests and match attendees. Now, with the advent of AI, you could actually let AI do all of that, and that'll reduce the amount of time that you spend on these things, and then you can concentrate on the main event. The next is virtual reality venue tours. Again, whenever someone is going for an event, if they could get a snippet of what that event is going to look like, that would be so awesome, right? If they could get like a virtual reality tour of what the wedding is going to look like, or what the anniversary party is going to look like. If they could get like a virtual, that would be so awesome. Next is post-event feedback surveys. And by the way, I look at my notes because I prepare for this little video by taking down notes. So I have to look at my notes all the time. I hope you guys don't mind that. Next is post-event feedback surveys. This is again, an extremely important tool for you to not just churn the base and get more recurring business, but this is a reflection of really how well you're doing your business, right? The post-event feedback. So 100%, you should have like some kind of a post-event feedback survey or mailer going out to everyone who's attended, asking them for their feedback. The next is live event streaming. Again, 100%. You need live event streaming because these days, because of travel restrictions or busy schedules, a lot of people who really want to attend an event can't make it. And why should they miss out, right? So especially on live events. So definitely live event streaming is again one of those things that you should consider. Here at Avion, like I said, we can help you with all of these. So if you're an event planner and if you're looking at incorporating any of these into your website, do give us a shout. But if you're an agency, and if you have a lot of event planning clients, I hope that some of these ideas have given you some food for thought. Again, here at Avion, we've helped a lot of agencies scale up, or we've helped a lot of agencies become more profitable. We have also helped a lot of smaller businesses scale up by giving them a really good digital presence. I don't know which category you might fall into, but definitely if this is something that interests you, give us a shout. These are my coordinates. You can press like if you like this content. You can press subscribe if you want to subscribe. Check here from Avion Technology. Thank you so much, and you have an amazing rest of the week. Thank you.